Okay, now this time we will go on, and again we are practicing present simple tense. Then this tense is quite useful. There are so many things which you can discuss, and by the way, you know, whenever we speak English, we are in present. So therefore, present simple is important tense. Yes, as you are speaking English, you can give the reference of past, or you can speak about future, but mainly when you speak English, that is present tense activity. So therefore, you should pay more attention to present simple tense. Now we go on, and we're going to learn some more words which are commonly used in present simple tense. We call them adverbs of frequency. What do we call them? Adverbs of frequency. The first one is never. Right? If I say, I never eat anything after midnight. I never eat anything after midnight. What does that mean? कि आधी रात के बाद मैं कुछ नहीं खाता. Right? I never go outside at night, or I never go out at night. I never contact my friends on Sunday, or I never call anyone on Sunday. I never. Okay, now you are going to make 2 to 3 sentences with I never tell lies. I never watch movies late at night. I never waste my time here and there, like that. Yes.
I never play video games.
Good.
I never waste my time.
Okay, and you should stress never.
Never.
I never play video games. I never waste my time. Stress never. Yeah.
I never go with my friends anywhere.
Okay.
I never shout my children's.
I never shout at my children.
I never shout at my children's.
Children's is wrong. Singular is child, and children is plural. Yeah.
I never shout my children.
I never shout at my children.
At my children. I never saw the TV.
I never watch TV.
I never
For
watch.
TV we use watch. I never watch TV.
I never watch TV.
Or you can say I never watch TV at night.
At night.
Good. Okay, that's fine. Please hear. Okay, now you will not use never. I'll change the word for you, right? You can use the word hardly.
Hardly.
Hardly means also something like never. I hardly eat fast food. Hardly means mushkil se. I hardly eat fast food. I hardly watch movies. Yeah.
I hardly sit at home on Sunday.
Good.
And I hardly eating seafood.
Okay, I hardly eat seafood.
And I hardly eat meat.
I hardly eat meat. You're a vegetarian, huh?
No,
Okay.
mutton.
You like, all right. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Now let's move on, please. Okay, you're going to make sentences with sometimes. For example, sometimes I drink coffee. Sometimes I go out with my friends. Sometimes something like that. Okay, make it closer. Yeah.
Sometimes I eat fast food.
Good.
Sometimes I play football with my friends.
Very good.
Sometimes I go to outside with my family.
Good.
Sometimes I tell lie.
Sometimes I tell lies. Okay, that's right. Now it's your turn, please. You'll make some sentences with always. I always help my friends. Something like that.
I always meet my friends on weekend.
Very good.
And I always ride bicycle.
Ride bicycle, really?
Yes.
Very good. And
I always do hiking when visit northern areas.
Good.
And I always speak well when it comes to debate or something like that.
Okay, that's good. So you guys are going to find some more adverbs of frequency. We call them adverbs of frequency, and we usually use them in present simple tense. I mean, you can use them in past tense also, but mostly we use these adverbs of frequency in the present tense, like I always speak the truth, I never tell lies, always, never, sometimes, right? And this is how you can practice. So again, this was one use of present simple tense, right?